Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest not loading. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest not loading, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this list, you will search about this window of Pinterest here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.